What are the top 3 beach destinations for you?
Boracay. Unusual to pero Maragondon, Cavite, Nasugbu, Batangas.
Boracay, Siargao, and then Puerto Galera.
Cebu, sa San Juan, Batangas, Batanes.
Boracay, Kalangaman Island in Tacloban, La Jolla Resort in Bataan.
Masasa, Boracay, Palawan.
Boracay, yung Puerto Galera, La Union.
Boracay, LU, Puerto Galera.
Activities ang pinaka lagi namin ginagawa doon, syempre dahil lagi namin kasama yung tropa namin, yung banana boat. Kasi very exciting, tapos maya-maya titilapon na.
Sa Boracay, pag hindi siya malumot season, ang ganda niya. At kung gusto mo lang ng chill, pwede doon. Nag-chill lang, tumulala. May kasi ako tumulala.
Actually, I do photo shoots. Pero aside from photo shoots, for Boracay, I did parasailing.
Snorkeling, cliff diving.
Aside from swimming, water activities, especially yung parasailing.
Siargao, nag-surf ako doon. And then nag-afam hunter ako.
For Kalangaman, I did a camping overnight. And for La Jolla, it's just pure chill by the beach.
And then is there any specific spot na memorable sa'yo and why?
Puerto Galera. Extreme Philippines tayo.
Puerto Galera, nung sa beach siya, kasi nag-skinny dipping kami doon.
Puerto Galera, kasi I'm with my friends. Sa lahat ng travel namin, yun yung pinaka-memorable na moment. Like, as in talaga, walang tapon. Lahat ng ginawa natin, walang tapon doon.
Batanes, it's more laid back, even though the ticket is pricey. But I mean, you visit Batanes, you will appreciate everything's affordable and all feel like peace and quiet environment.
Super Virgin Islands niya, tapos yung sand, sobrang linis. So talagang hindi siya ganun ka-crowded. So, yung sa travel time kasi, bago ako makapunta dun sa pinaka-specific island, kailangan mo bumiyahe muna ng maliit na, na bangka. Parang it's just like 20 to 30 minutes travel time. Marami ka na makita while on the boat.
Pinaka-underrated talaga yung beach na Nasugbu. Kasi sobrang lapit lang dito sa Manila. Ang dali lang biyahin, wala pang 3 oras. Pero yung alon, tapos yung tubig napakalinis.
The parasailing in Boracay, kasi meron akong fear of heights, so definitely it's one for the books.
And then is there any beach destination that you would like to visit in the future?
Coron, I've heard that there's a lot of things to do there. More activities and more fun.
Palawan. I haven't been to Palawan. Hopefully next year.
Palawan. Kasi marami ako nakita mga reviews and I know the government in Palawan kasi they're just like very protective.
Dami nagsasabi, ganda daw sa LU Kaya nga hoping within this year makapag-LU nga naman dun.
Cebu, land of East Asian girls, yeah.
Siargao, ulit, with friends. Babalik ako dito, pero group of friends. The town of friends, kasi sobrang fun yung kasama.
Siargao, para surf-surf kami din to eh.